In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can change the background of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. So I have two pictures ready here. I have my background of rainforest and I have a picture of a parrot. And I want to change the background of this picture. So I want to basically put my parrot in this rainforest. So I'm first going to move this picture to the place where I want it to be, something like this. And then as you can see, when you have the picture selected, you get your contextual taskbar, and this gives you the option to select your subject, which we're going to click. As you can see now, our subject has been selected, and Photoshop does a pretty good job in selecting the subject. But as you can see, there are some adjustments to be made. And to do so, we're going to click this brush and we're going to choose Select and Mask. Now in Select and Mask, and you can choose several view modes on top of here. You can choose onion skin and all of this, but I find the overlay to be the easiest to work with for me personally. So now you have this brush, which you can use. And as you can see here, it has a plus sign. So everything I'm now going to select, making my brush a bit bigger. I'm just going to brush here, and because it's a plus sign, I'm going to add to my selection. But on top of here, we can see that this beak, this little point has to be removed from the selection. So I'm going to first make my brush smaller, and then holding the Alt or Option key, I'm going to brush a part which needs to be removed. And then maybe here, add some more of the beak, that we have his beak entirely. And when you're happy with your selection, you can press OK and you transport it back to your composition. So now we have our parrot selected, and then again in the contextual taskbar here, we're going to press the Create a Mask from Selection. And just like that, the background from our parrot picture has been removed, and he is now situated in our rainforest. But we can also tweak this a bit. So with this mask selected, we're going to go to the Adjustments tab here, and if it's not visible, you can go to Window and then select Adjustments. And in the Adjustment tab, we're going to choose Levels. First, we're going to select that it only applies to the layer below the adjustment, and then we're going to select this eyedropper tool to select the black point from the rainforest background we use in our composition. So the darkest point from the picture, maybe something here. And then we're going to choose a white eyedropper tool to select the lightest point of the background. And you can also select the gray point, but it's a bit difficult to find the correct one. So I'm going to keep it on black and white. If you want to find the gray point in your background, feel free to do so. You can use this middle eyedropper tool, but I'm just going to choose the darkest and lightest point of the background and apply that to our parrot. And as you can see, it has now been modified to fit the background more. Color levels have been adjusted to match the background more. But that's an easy way to change the background of an image. Just use the contextual taskbar, select your subject, create a mask, and then the image you have placed behind it will become the new background of your subject. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.